You. I am your friend Tapan. Today I will be talking about Jupiter, and Jupiter specifically from this book, Lal Kitab. I will be reading some parts from this book. As you all know, this book is which I have in my hand. It's written in Hindi, so I will be trying to translate the text and explain the things regarding Jupiter. So I am starting from actually where it starts actually, but it has a lot many of complications regarding everything. Means for normal people say that Lal Kitab is too much poetic and too much difficult to understand. So I will be starting. I will be just reading things. बृहस्पति विधाता जगत गुरु ब्रह्मा जी महाराज, दो रंगी दुनिया के रंग दोनों देखो, मगर आँख दुख जाए अपनी ना देखो। इंसान की मुट्ठी के अंदर के खाली खुलाओं में बंद या आकाश में फैले रहने हर दो, जहाँ में जा आ सकने और तमाम ब्रह्मांड व इंसान के अंदर बाहर चक्कर लगाने वाली हवा को ग्रह मंडल में बृहस्पति के नाम से याद किया गया है, जो बंद हालत में कुदरत से साथ लाई हुई किस्मत का भेद और खुल जाने पर अपने जन्म से पहले भेजे हुए खजाने का राज और बंद और खुली हर दो हालत की दरमियानी हद इंसान शरीफ के शुरू, जन्म लेने व आखिरी वफ़ात पाने का बहाना होगी। ये अगर ग्रहों का गुरु और ज़ाहिरा गैबी दोनों जहां का मालिक माना गया है, इसीलिए एक ही घर में बैठे हुए बृहस्पति का असर बेशक मानिंद राजा या फ़कीर, सोना या पीतल, सोने की बनी हुई लंका तक दान कर देने वाला प्राणी या सारे ज़माने का चोर साधु जिसका धर्म ईमान ना हो, हर दो हालत में से ख्वाह किसी भी ढंग का हो, मगर उसका बुरा असर शुरू होने की निशानी हमेशा शनिचर के मंदे असर के ज़रिए होगी, और दो नेक असर खुद बृहस्पति के ग्रह की मुतल्लिका आशिया, कारोबार या रिश्तेदार मुतल्लिका बृहस्पति फहरिस्त जुदी जगह के ज़रिए ज़ाहिर होगी। Means basically it tries to say that about regarding Jupiter, this paragraph says about how it will be affecting people. So he says that, means Pandit Roopchand Joshi ji says that if Jupiter is placed, even it could be well placed or it could be badly placed. So the same Jupiter could give any one of the results. If it is nicely placed, so it will make things turn things into gold, and if it's badly placed, that same Jupiter could give a result of brass. So, and if it is badly placed, that result will be given from the bad effects of Jupiter will be given by Saturn, in whichever house you have Saturn. And if it nicely placed, it will say show its all own results from the house where it is sitting and from the house which it represents. So in that way it's said. So we come to the next page. It says एक ही घर में बैठे हुए बृहस्पति के असर की दो रंगी, means the two colors of Jupiter sitting in two the same houses, the two different type of results. So what are they? So he says, he doesn't say houses, he says खाना नंबर जिसमें बृहस्पति हो, and the results are नेक हालत में क्या असर होगा, मंदी हालत में क्या असर होगा. So the good results, नेक means, and मंदी means the bad results. So खाना number means house number. So if Jupiter is posited in the first house, it says नामवर राजा, means you will be a famed king. If Jupiter is in the first house, name and fame, which we say, no, from Jupiter we can get name and fame. If it is good in the first house, and if it is bad in first house, fakir, bakmal, magar nirdhan, means he will be like a mystic sage, but without any money. Means he will have that knowledge of a sage, but he won't have money. And second house, सबको तारने वाला जगत गुरु. If in the second house it's good, then he will, means everyone will, he will be the Jagat Guru, means he will show path to everyone. Everyone will become his follower. But if it's bad in the second house, अपना ही खानदान तबाह करने वाला कुल गारत, means he will destroy his own family, because the second house is also our relatives, house of relatives. So if it is bad sitting in the second house, it will destroy the family, name, fame, everything. Third house, शेरों का नामी शिकारी, means he will hunt down tigers. He will be famous hunter. Means in the current context we can't say hunter, means he can, whosoever he is his enemy or who is even bigger than him, he will hunt him down. It could be in any field regarding business. His competitors won't be standing in front of him in the market. He means to say that thing. And if it is bad, buzdil, manhus, mandbhag. Buzdil means coward. Manhus means what to say, a person who is of ill fate, means wherever he goes things go wrong. Mandbhag. So that's like that. And the fourth house, Raja Indra or Vikramajit के साया का मालिक, means he will be like Lord Indra and Vikramajit. He will be considered like their disciples and as powerful as them. But if it is malefic, अपना ही बेड़ी डोब मल्ला, means the boat which he is riding, he will drown that boat itself if it is bad. In the fifth house, औलाद के जन्मदिन से बारौनक. बारौनक means the day his child will be, if it is good, the day his child will be born, his fame will diminish. And if it is bad, बच्चा पेट से ही मुर्दा पैदा हो. And if it's bad, then the child may die in the womb itself. So the fifth house Jupiter is not considered so good. It shows. The sixth house, हर शय बिला मांगे हाजिर. शय means defeat. हर शय बिला मांगे हाजिर. So he defeats all his enemies. And if it is bad, गरीबी और मंदी चक्कर से हरदम सांस रुकता हो. Means गरीबी means poverty, misfortune will always haunt him. Seventh house, धर्म काज का मुखिया धर्मी, means he will do religious works and he will head religious councils and all. And if it is bad, उसका युथ बनना भी दुखिया ही होवे. Means if it is bad, then youth means combination. If someone is associated with him, that will also bring misfortunes for that person. Means sadistic, he will become too sadistic. And eighth, सोने की लंका तक का दानी, means if it is good in 8th house, he will also donate his golden Lanka, means Lanka which was considered to be built with gold, he could donate that much of fortune if it is in the 8th house. And if it is bad in the 8th house, दौलत से भरे खजानों की राख की किस्मत का मालिक, means if he, by fortune he gets wealth full of, means a treasure full of wealth, and that will turn into ashes if it is malefic in the 8th house. 9th house, बुजुर्गी नस्ल दमकता सोना. Buzurgi means old age, nasl means from old age you get, and means his patronages will be like gold. And if it's that is in the 9th house, good. And bad in the 9th house, किस्मत में रेत के बराबर सी चमक का नसीबी ना हो. Means if it is bad, malefic in the 9th house, then it will disappear like sand, or it will miss, it won't be even similar to as small as a sand particle also. His fortunes won't stand that much also. He will be so bad luck. 10th house, जिस कदर भी टेढ़ा चले मिट्टी सोना देवे. If it is in the 10th house, no matter if it is good, no matter how wrong he goes, whatever association he has, but it will always give good fortunes. But if it is bad, निर्धन दुखिया होवे, means misfortune and poverty will creep upon him. 11th house, good, सांप भी सजदा करे. सांप means he wants to say सांप means your enemy. So if it is good in the 11th house, even his enemies will bow before him. And if it is bad, kafan tak paraya, means if it is bad, then when he will die, he won't be fortunate enough to arrange for his own funeral. That also people has to collect and provide that to him or his family. He will be so much misfortunate. 12th house, if it is good, दरिया की तरह घर में दौलत भरती जावे, means if it is good in the 12th house, दरिया means river, means it will flow like means sometimes flood comes, no? So it will fortune or money will come flowing like flood water inside your house, as fast as flood water can enter. It denotes that, means the speed will be too much. And if it is bad, राजधानी का मालिक होकर भी माया पर पेशाब की धार मारने या बरतने का मौका ना पावे. Miss राजधानी means he could be the king of a capital. मतलब माया means money. He can't piss on that money also. Means he won't be fortunate enough to enjoy the fruits of his own labor or own fortunes. He cannot eat that. He won't be getting peace actually. That's what he means to say. So the terminologies are not so good. So that's why many people criticize him. And I don't feel like, he could take you up till that mark, whatever language he preferred to. It was like a what to say, jigsaw puzzle or hidden puzzles, which you could decode those things. Many people have many things. So it's like that. So I will coming to the next page. Okay. बृहस्पति की हवा में मिलावट का असर, means if it is positive. So I will read, then I will explain. First line is ऊंच राहु या पहले बैठा, means if you have a exalted Rahu or it is sitting before Rahu. आया तरफ गुरु पहली हो, means if it is in the first house, it will give results of a exalted Rahu. Then गुरु मालिक हो दोनों जहां का, ताकत गैबी व रूहानी हो. दीगर हालत में गुरु गृहस्थी, मालिक जहां एक होता हो. माया दौलत का बंदा गुलामी, ताकत रूहानी छोड़ता हो. मीन्स गुरु मालिक हो दोनों जहाँ का, मीन्स इट विल रूल द both the spheres, means this world and the heaven also. ताकत गैबी व रूहानी हो, मीन्स इट विल बी वेरी स्पिरिचुअल, द पावर्स विल बी. दीगर हालत में गुरु गृहस्थी, मालिक जहाँ एक होता हो. दीगर मीन्स अदर्स, मीन्स अदर सिचुएशंस ऑल्सो. मैंने गुरु गृहस्थी मीन्स हाउस होल्ड गुरु, मालिक जहाँ एक होता हो. Even he will rule that family matters also. माया दौलत का बंदा गुलामी, ताकत रूहानी छोड़ता हो. Means he will worship money, but the effect will be ताकत रूहानी छोड़ता हो. It will be mystic like effect. So what it says, the next line, नर ग्रहों सूरज मंगल के साथ या दृष्टि वगैरह से मिलने पर मामूली तांबा भी सोने का काम देगा. The first para says. Then the second para says, स्त्री ग्रह शुक्र या चंद्र के साथ So okay, in English, Naigrah means male planets like Sun and Mars. If it's sitting with along with them, or they're casting their aspects on Jupiter, then also it will turn ordinary brass into gold. It will ordinary brass will also work like gold. So then the second process, स्त्री ग्रह शुक्र या चंद्र के साथ या दृष्टि के ताल्लुक से मिट्टी से भरा हुआ पानी भी उत्तम दूध का काम देवे। बृहस्पति के बगैर तमाम ग्रहों से मिलने जुलने की या दृष्टि की ताकत पैदा न होगी। It says the second parasis, स्त्री ग्रह means female planets like Venus and Moon. If they are sitting along with Jupiter, or they are casting their aspects on Jupiter, or vice versa, Jupiter is casting its aspects on those planets, then even normal water, a pot filled with normal water will work like high quality milk. And it says बृहस्पति के बगैर तमाम ग्रहों में मिलने जुलने की या दृष्टि की ताकत पैदा ना होगी. Means without, and it says that without Jupiter all the planets won't get any results of association or aspect. So until unless there is no aspect or no presence of Jupiter, that planet won't show any good results. He is trying to say that. Then third first, पापी ग्रह राहु केतु शनिचर मंदे होने पर बृहस्पति सोने की जगह पीतल मिट्टी हवा की जगह जहरीली गैस का मंदा असर देगा. Means if it is associated with पापी ग्रह means राहु means malefic planets राहु केतु and Saturn मंदे होने पर, if they are weak, debilitated means combust, debilitated, so होने पर बृहस्पति सोने की जगह पीतल मिट्टी हवा की जगह जहरीली गैस का मंदा असर होए. So if it is with those planets, then Jupiter will show results of brass in place of gold, and mitti hawa, no, it is saying mitti hawa, okay, not mitti, mitti means sweet. Even the sweet breezes will turn into poisonous gas, and it will show low results, manda, slow result or low result or no result. Then there is बृहस्पति और राहु दोनों खाना नंबर 12 आसमान में इकट्ठे ही माने गए हैं. बृहस्पति दोनों जहां गैबी व जहीरी, गैबी इज मीन्स दैवीय ताकत एंड जहीरी इज स्पष्ट बाहरी. दैवीय means godly powers or divine powers, and Zahiri means spasht means clear, means external power, external forces, external power. These are two worlds which he says का मालिक है, जिसमें आने और जाने के लिए नीले रंग में राहु का आसमानी दरवाज़ा है. इसीलिए जैसे ये दरवाज़ा होगा वैसे ही हवा के आने जाने का हाल होगा. अगर राहु टेढ़ा चलने वाला हाथी, सांस को रोकने वाला कड़वा धुआं या ज़मीन को पाताल से भूचाल बनकर हिलाता रहे तो बृहस्पति भला नहीं हो सकता. लेकिन अगर राहु उत्तम और मददगार दरवाज़ा हो तो बृहस्पति कभी बुरा ना होगा. Means it's trying to say that if Rahu is malefic in your horoscope and associated with Jupiter, then Jupiter will give bad results, and if Rahu is good, then your Jupiter will give good results. So it all depends upon the placement, association and quality of Rahu, rather than which other texts say, like Vedic astrology, and they say if Jupiter is good it can diminish the bad results of the malefic planets also, but it says the opposite of that, this text says. Okay, so then fourth, हर तरह से अकेला बृहस्पति ख्वाह वह दृष्टि वगैरह से कितना ही मंदा होवे टेबे वाले पर कभी मंदा असर न देगा. It's trying to say the fourth point, that if in every way, even if there is no aspect of any planet, it's not associated with any planet, no planet is aspecting it, it's not combined with any planet, no one is associated with it, then also means even if it is very weak in power, means suppose it is of 0 degree, Tebe wale means the person whose horoscope you are watching, for him the result won't be bad. Means even if Jupiter is very diminished in power, but still it won't be bad for anyone. बर्बाद हो चुका, 5th पॉइंट, बर्बाद हो चुका बृहस्पति आम असर के लिए खाली बुध गिना जाएगा, जिसका फैलता बुध के जाति स्वभाव के उसूल पर होगा. ओके, बर्बाद हो चुका बृहस्पति मीन्स अ जुपिटर विच इज स्पॉइल्ड, अ मैलेफिक जुपिटर. आम असर के लिए मीन्स फॉर नॉर्मल रिजल्ट्स इट विल शो खाली बुध गिना जाएगा, मीन्स वेकेंट जुपिटर, सॉरी वेकेंट मर्करी, इट विल बी सीन एज अ मर्करी गिना जाएगा, जिसका फैसला बुध के जाति स्वभाव के उसूल पर होगा. मीन्स इट विल बी लाइक, इट विल शो नेचर ऑफ जुपिटर, विल शो द नेचर ऑफ मर्करी. 6th पॉइंट, दुश्मन ग्रहों बुध, शुक्र, राहु या शनिचर बहैसियत पापी ग्रह, यानी जब शनिचर को राहु या केतु किसी तरह भी बरुए दृष्टि या साथ वगैरह से आ मिलते हो के वक्त मंदा हो जाने की हालत में बृहस्पति अमूमन बुध का असर देगा, और बृहस्पति का मंदा असर काबिले उपायों होगा, जिसके लिए साथी दुश्मन ग्रह का उपाय मदद देगा. It is trying to say that दुश्मन ग्रह means enemy planets like Mercury, Venus, Rahu, Saturn. If they are associated with Jupiter, then Jupiter will show malefic results, and it will basically give results of Mercury. And the associated planet, whichever enemy planet is sitting with him or aspecting him, so the results is malefic, so the remedies of that particular planet will be helpful to get rid of the problems. 7th point, ग्रह मंडल में सब ग्रहों में छेड़छाड़ कराने वाले दुनियावी पाप सिर्फ 2 ग्रह राहु केतु का दूसरा नाम को चलाने वाला बृहस्पति है. गोया राहु केतु के पाप करने की शरारत से पहले बृहस्पति खुद अपनी अशिया या कारोबार या रिश्तेदार मुत्तलिका बृहस्पति के ज़रिए खबर दे देगा. सो व्हाट ही इज़ ट्राइंग टू से, ग्रह मंडल में सब ग्रहों में छेड़छाड़ कराने वाले दुनियावी पाप मीन्स ऑल दैट इज़ पाप मीन्स illicit things which is taking place in the universe, that is done only by 2 planets, that is Rahu and Ketu. But who rules them or who runs them, चलाने वाला is Jupiter himself. गोया राहु केतु के पाप करने की शरारत से पहले means before they do anything illicit or wrong, Jupiter खुद अपनी आशा या कारोबार या रिश्तेदार मुत्तकिला बृहस्पति के ज़रिए खबर दे देगा. मीन्स whosoever relative is associated with Jupiter, he will give us symptoms prior to that happening of that bad thing. So you will get a signal from that relative who is associated with Guru, Jupiter. So you will know. और उसके बाद जिसके लिए ख्याल रहे कि means for that you have to remember one thing, असर जलता 2 जहाँ का ग्रहण शत्रु साथी जो चोर बनता 6 ता 11 मंगल टेवे जहरी जो. दूसरे ग्रह को मदद, किस घर में बृहस्पति बैठा हो तो किस ग्रह को मदद देगा. मीन्स इन विच हाउस इफ जुपिटर इज सिटिंग, then which planets he will help. That on the sentence previous I read, that is being explained here. खाना नंबर 1 ता 5 means if it is sitting from 1 to 5, शनिचर और सूरज दोनों को ही means if it is sitting in the from the 1st till 5th house, it will help Saturn and Sun. Then 6 ता 11 means from 6 to 11, हाउस नंबर 6 to 11 सिर्फ शनिचर को. मीन्स ओनली सैटर्न, एंड 12th शनिचर और सूरज दोनों ही को, सो बोथ सैटर्न एंड सन. So except from 6th to 11th it will help only Saturn. So then the last, okay, आम हालत 12 ही घरों में, इल्म आयु घर पहले सोना, गुरु जगत घर दूसरा हो, शेर गुरस्ता तीसरे माना, भला बैठा बुध जब तक हो, चौथे विक्रमी तख्त बतीसी, 5 पूर्ण ब्रह्म होता हो, छठे मिले हर चीज़ जो मुफ्ती, दुखिया बेटे घर 7 का हो, भाग्य उदय 8 उम्र हो लंबी, योगी 9 में खुद बनता हो, 10वें कमी धन अक्ल ख्वाह कितनी, धर्म करम घर 11 हो, पाप हालत पर रात की निद्रा, गृहस्थ सुखी घर 12 जो, काम छोड़े जब राम भरोसा, शत्रु बैरी सिर कटता हो. ओके, इल्म आयु घर पहले सोना मीन्स, इल्म मीन्स एजुकेशन एंड आयु मीन्स एज और लॉन्जिविटी. घर पहले सोना मीन्स गोल्ड, मीन्स इफ इट इज एसोसिएटेड विद द फर्स्ट हाउस इट गिव्स दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स, एजुकेशन, लॉन्जिविटी एंड गोल्ड मीन्स मनी, फेम, फॉर्च्यून. गुरु जगत घर दूसरा हो, you become Jagat Guru if it is sitting in the 2nd house. Sher Gurasta Tisre Mana means if you are ferocious, you are powerful like a lion. Bhala Baitha Budh Jab Tak Ho, until Mercury is good. If it is sitting in the 3rd house, it will behave like a lion, tiger, only if Mercury is also good. चौथे विक्रमी तख्त बत्तीसी, सिंहासन बत्तीसी वॉज देयर नो, विक्रमादित्य, किंग विक्रमादित्य हैड दैट थ्रोन. सो इफ इट इज सिटिंग इन द 4th हाउस इट विल बिहेव लाइक दैट. 5 पूर्ण ब्रह्म होता हो मीन्स इफ इट इज इन द 5th हाउस इट विल लाइक बी लाइक अ डिवाइन ब्लेसिंग, ब्रह्म ही विल बी लाइक. छठे मिले हर चीज़ जो मुफ्ती, इफ इट इज सिटिंग इन द 6th हाउस ही विल गेट एवरीथिंग फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. And it's दुखिया बेटे घर 7 का हो, and if it is sitting in the 7th it is bringing misfortune. And 8th भाग्य उदय 8 उम्र हो लंबी means you will have a fortune, your fortune will rise and you will have a long life. And योगी 9 में खुद बनता हो, and in 9th house he becomes a mystic yogi. 10वें कमी धन अकल ख्वाह कितनी, in the 10th house you have less money, less brain, everything is less. And in the 11th house धर्म करम घर 11 हो means religious works will be done by him if it is in the 11th house. पाप हालत पर रात की निद्रा, गृहस्थी सुखी घर 12 जो means in the 12th house पाप हालत पर रात की निद्रा, गृहस्थी सुखी घर 12 हो means रातों की नींद means he won't be able to sleep peacefully in night. Malefic in the 12th house. काम छोड़े जब राम भरोसे, शत्रु बैरी सिर कटता हो. If he leaves that his work in the hands of other people, शत्रु बैरी सिर कटता हो means he has a lot of enemies and they will harm him. That's it. Then there are a lot many things, but I think that will be enough for the day. I will be winding it here only. That was something which I thought to share about Lal Kitab. I don't know how much I have able to do that thing. Thank you.